Ship rotating information plays a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient navigation at sea. Here one some key aspects. First, collision avoidance. By knowing the routes and position of other vessels, ships can take steps to avoid collision and reduce the risk of accidents. Second, routing information helps ships take the most efficient route, reducing fuel consumption, lowering emissions, and saving time. Third, weather and sea state awareness. Routing information can include weather forecasts and sea state data, enabling ships to navigate through adverse conditions safely. Fourth, compliance with the regulation. Ships must comply with international regulation such as those related to traffic separation schemes and navigation through sensitive areas. Routing information helps ensure adherence to these rules. Fifth, real-time updates. With real-time routing information, ships can respond quickly to changes in weather, sea state, or other vessel movement, ensuring safe and efficient navigation. Overall, ship routing information is essential for safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly maritime operations.
Ship routing is a vital aspect of maritime navigation that focuses on the safe and efficient movement of vessels across the seas. Primary goal of ship routing is to enhance safety by minimizing the risk of collisions and groundings in busy waterways. Traffic separation schemes or TSS are one of the most common routing measures designed to organize maritime traffic by separating vessels traveling in opposite directions. These schemes help to streamline navigation in congested areas, such as the English Channel or the Strait of Malacca. In addition to TSS, recommended routes are established to guide vessels through specific areas, often avoiding hazards like shallow waters or marine protected zones. Mandatory routing system may also be implemented in high-risk regions where compliance is legally required to ensure safety. Environmental considerations play a significant role in ship routing, as routes are often designed to minimize the impact on marine ecosystem and reduce pollution. Port congestion is a challenge that can affect routing, as vessels may need to alter their paths to avoid delays at busy ports. Advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are increasingly being used to analyze data and suggest optimal routes based on various factors, including traffic density and fuel price. The International Marine Organization, or IMO, plays a crucial role in establishing guidelines and regulations for ship routing on a global scale. These regulations aim to standardize practices and improve safety across international waters. Training and education for maritime professionals are essential to ensure that they understand and can effectively implement routing measures. In conclusion, ship routing is a complex but essential component of maritime operations. It involves a combination of safety measures, environmental considerations, and technological advancements to facilitate the efficient movements of vessels. As global shipping continues to grow, the importance of effective ship routing will only increase, making it a crucial area of focus for the maritime industry.